Right guys, I'm going to do this papaiz lock now. I'm not going to take it out of the vice because it's a bastard to get back in, and it's a focus CR50 papaiz. I'm a bit out of breath. I've just tried for the very first time chicken fowl. Now you get a vindaloo, then you get a tindaloo, then you get a fowl. Oh, you bastard. That was about half full before I started, and that was full of blackcurrant juice. Wow. Well, you got to try these things once, never to be tried again, I tell you. Whew. Right, now I'm all full of curry. You can crack on. Let's give this a try. The first pin on this is so low that you have to pretty much pick it without tension. I think I've got it. It traps itself. There you are. I went down a little bit on a false set. It traps itself as soon as you put any tension on because it is that low. Another false set. One more gone. Gone. Come on, there's a couple more in here I've not set properly. There you are. Any more? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, come on. Ah, low one at the back. That's why I couldn't feel it. There we go. There we go. Sound. Cheers guys.